Antique cabinet hardware can add charm and character to any piece of cabinetry, from kitchen cabinets to antique dressers and armoires. It comes in a range of styles and materials, each with its own unique features that can enhance the overall look and feel of the piece. This guide will explore the various styles and materials of antique cabinet hardware, how to choose the right hardware for your piece, and how to care for it properly. Antique cabinet hardware comes in a variety of styles, from simple and understated to elaborate and ornate. Here are some of the most popular styles of antique cabinet hardware. 1. The arts and crafts movement was a design style that emerged in the late 19th century, and it is characterized by its emphasis on simplicity, craftsmanship, and natural materials. The hardware in this style is usually made from materials like brass, copper, and wrought iron, and features simple geometric shapes. 2. The Victorian era was known for its elaborate and ornate design, and the hardware from this period reflects that. Victorian hardware is often made from brass or cast iron and features elaborate designs, including floral patterns and ornate scrollwork. 3. The Art Deco movement emerged in the 1920s and 30s and was characterized by its use of geometric shapes, bold colors, and luxurious materials. Art Deco hardware is often made from brass or chrome and features clean lines and geometric designs. 4. Traditional hardware is characterized by its simplicity and understated elegance. This style is often made from brass or bronze and features simple designs like knobs and pulls with a clean, polished finish. Antique cabinet hardware can be made from a variety of materials, each with its own unique characteristics that can contribute to the look and feel of the piece. Here are some of the most common materials used in antique cabinet hardware. 1. Brass is a popular material for antique cabinet hardware because of its durability and versatility. It can be polished to a high shine or left to develop a patina over time, which can add a sense of age and character to the piece. 2. Copper is a soft and malleable metal that was used extensively in antique hardware, particularly during the arts and crafts movement. Copper hardware can develop a rich patina over time, which can give it an aged and weathered look. 3. Cast iron was a popular material for hardware during the Victorian era, and it was often used in the creation of elaborate designs. Cast iron is a durable material that can withstand a lot of wear and tear, making it ideal for use in high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms. 4. Glass hardware was commonly used in antique doors and cabinets, particularly during the Art Deco period. Glass knobs and pulls can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any piece of furniture. Choosing the right antique cabinet hardware can be a daunting task, particularly if you are not familiar with the various styles and materials available. Here are some tips for choosing the right hardware for your piece. 1. The hardware you choose should complement the style of the piece of furniture, rather than detract from it. If you have a piece of furniture from the Victorian era, for example, you may want to choose hardware that is ornate and elaborate, rather than simple and understated. 2. The hardware you choose should not only look good, but it should also be functional. Consider how you will be using the piece of furniture and choose hardware that is easy to grip and use. 3. Antique hardware can be quite delicate, so it is important to choose materials that can withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Brass, copper, and cast iron are all durable materials that can stand up to a lot of wear and tear. 4. The finish of the hardware can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of the piece. Polished brass can add a touch of elegance to a piece, while a patinaed copper finish can give it a vintage and weathered look. Caring for antique cabinet hardware is important if you want it to last for years to come. Here are some tips for caring for your antique hardware. 1. Antique hardware can accumulate dirt and grime over time, so it is important to clean it regularly to keep it looking its best. Use a soft cloth and a mild cleaning solution to gently wipe away any dirt or dust. 2. Harsh chemicals can damage antique hardware, so it is important to avoid using them when cleaning. Stick to mild solutions like soap and water and avoid using abrasive scrubbers. 3. Antique hardware can be quite delicate, so it is important to avoid applying excessive force when using it. Be gentle when opening doors and drawers, and avoid over-tightening screws. 4. If you are not using your antique hardware, it is important to store it properly to prevent damage. Keep it in a dry, cool place that is free from dust and dirt. Antique cabinet hardware can add charm, character, and personality to any piece of furniture. Whether you are looking for simple and understated hardware or something more elaborate and ornate, there is a style and material out there to suit your needs. By choosing the right hardware for your piece and caring for it properly, you can enjoy the beauty and elegance of antique hardware for years to come. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.